Alright, so for some reason you have your trigger group entirely apart. And this is what you'll have. This pin holds those two pieces in with the spring, and that is your safety spring on the bottom there, and then that pin right here holds this piece in. So take this piece and put it in here. You'll want to line up these holes. The pins will go through both of those holes. This piece you want to have upwards like that. This right here is where the spring rides on, and that is the pin that the trigger rod grabs onto. So at this point, you can put the first pin in, that'll go on the bottom. Some of this is going to be tricky one-handed. So the thing with these pins as well, they're not just a flat pin. You'll see the right hand side is thicker, and if you look at the holes on here, you'll have one thick one and one thin one. So they both have to go from this end in. Now for this part, once that first piece is in, it'll look like this, with the spring back here and that pin in right there. Second part is much harder. This piece with the spring on it still, which goes in this little hole here, has to have this underneath this one and far enough over so that you're not hitting the spring. And then you also need to push the other spring so that it's flat against that piece in the middle. And then while doing that, this piece also needs to go in here. It'll be far enough over, since it has this move over piece, so that it doesn't interfere with this piece. And then while that's all in there, get the pin through. Push down. And there we go. And then once it's all back and reinstalled, it should fire like this and shouldn't fire with the safety on. Thanks for watching.